So something that's going to happen when you're going through your power dialer is if I shot a screencast the night before and I put them in the initial follow-up sequence, they are going to appear in your power dialer without you adding them in yourself. So how do you differentiate? So let's take a look at this guy, right, Hussein. When he pops up, all this information in the middle is going to pop up. So we obviously know we called them. So that, when you see this pop up, you're going to simply go over to notes, so you can see exactly who you spoke to. So now I know I spoke with Hussein. So I know, well, sorry, I didn't redo the language over here, but I now know I am talking with the owner. So now I can go through the owner's script. That is how you differentiate. Now this is where the fun part comes in. You're going to have four reactions. One is they answer, and then you start talking with them about what the script shows and how to kind of go forward to get them to book. If you book a call, you will simply go over to appointments and you will select the time there like the script shows, right? And we will go through that at another time. If they don't answer, you're simply going to hit voicemail, and it will keep them in the process of moving forward. If they say no to you, you're going to hit complete call. It will remove them from the process, so you don't have to worry about it. If they say they did not watch the video at all and they're going to watch it tonight, this is where you have to come here to campaign workflows. You have to hit this X over here to remove them from here, and then put them right back into the initial workflow sequence by simply typing in hired setters only. It will restart it and it'll get them back in the next day, so you don't have to really worry about anything again. It's the fourth one when we get a yes that I'm going to address in a moment.